Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. Friends, this time I am going to divide this video into three parts. First will be on the indexes, that will be Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500. Second video will be on commodities like gold, silver, crude oil and natural gas. And the third video will be on most important stocks of US stock market. So before we go ahead and do our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go and subscribe to this channel right now. Like this video. The reason is, here onward I am going to post important videos every weekend, and that will be helpful for us to take investment decisions. Hit this bell icon so that you will get notification on all my future videos. So let's go ahead and start our analysis without wasting a time. And before you go ahead and see this see the analysis of these three indexes, just make sure that you have gone through this video, the outlook of Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, this video which published on 3rd of May. This video had a detailed analysis of Nasdaq with 15 years old data, back history data. So that is very important. Please go through that video first and then come on this video. So let's go to the trading view. We are going to simply talk about these three indexes. Now for Nasdaq, you can see, my friends, let's zoom in. Last week we clearly mentioned that market is still bearish. On Friday also on the Discord channel I informed that I'm still feeling that market is still on the bearish mode. So you can see here Thursday's candle. Okay, it was kind of Marubozu candle. Friday's candle is extreme strong Marubozu candle. You can see here the highs and lows are the open and high are exactly same, low and close are also same. Okay, so this says that very big pressure is on the market. So at this point of time, if we talk about the support level, the first support level is coming around 11,000 to 10,800. Okay, my friends, this is the support area. 11,000 to 10,800 is the support area. Now you can see here high probability that on Monday market again come and be in panic mode, and it might go here. 10,900 means 11,000 to 10,800. Now if you see, last month I predicted that market might come to this level, okay, max to max, and then from here it can take a U-turn, and we can do a good kind of investment here. This I mentioned in my previous videos. Now the scenario is quite you can say the because of this bad CPI data, right? It came around 8.6, highest in last few years. Okay, so high probability that we can come here in 11,000 and 10,800, and this is the place where we really need to see how the market is acting here. Means once it comes here, and if it consolidates here for few days, okay, or few sessions, okay, and then either it takes this route or this route, that will be very important for the market. Okay, and based on that we will decide on the next trajectory. So right now you can see here market is having support at 10,000 11,000 to 10,800. Once market starts trading above 11,550, okay, this green line, then market might go towards 11,800 and 12,000. Okay, this we are talking about the positive side if market starts trading above 11,550. Now if it breaks below 10,800, then the immediate support is coming around 10,200, almost 600 points below, and the next is coming around 9,800. Now we are going to talk about some lower levels, because the market structure is not as good as I thought of. Now you can see here this 9800, the level which we talked, this is a pre-COVID high. You can see here 24th Feb 2020, it was the top which market made before the COVID, and then COVID came and then it gave a V-shaped recovery. Now let's talk about the percentage fall in the market after its high. So market made high of this 16,200 on 26 November 2021. From there, right now, market made a first low here. This is on 24th of May, almost 33% down. Now if we talk about the next level of market is like 9,800. If we talk about this, the pre-COVID level, if we come to this level, then market is dropped by 40%. Okay, extreme worst scenario, if it breaks 9,800, then possibility that market might come towards 8,100. This is extremely negative scenario. Okay, this level we will talk only if we come to 9,800. Okay, and then go below it, which is which looks very impossible to me. But yes, as I say, you guys, always we respect the levels, we need to see the levels. If market comes here, take a rest here and decide to go down here, and then again consolidate here and then break this level, then this is the situation which it will come to this level, which I don't think so. But market is supreme, we need to respect the levels. If it comes to this level, then market will be down by 50%, okay, from its peak. Okay, so now as a trader, we need to be very careful. We need to think of not be long, okay, not be buyer. We need to be kind of seller in the market. When you get any rise in the selling market, means selling on rallies kind of market, we need to think of it. And as I mentioned that we need to, you guys go and see that video where I mentioned 15 years data, 15 years back data I backtraced. In that you might have seen market went back to 40% down, 50% down in the history. But what happened after that? Market recovered after that and market made a new high. So if you are a trader, you need to think on short selling. If you are an investor, then we don't need to worry. On each of these level, definitely we should add quality stocks in our portfolio. The level number 1, level number 2, level number 3, and in case it comes here, then it's a level number 4. Okay, so quickly see the weekly chart of Nasdaq. So we will just hide this drawing. See, this is the weekly candle. What kind of drop it is? See, we see it's a bearish Marubozu on the day chart. The last week, this week closing also bearish Marubozu. So we need to be very alert, my friends, on buying side. Now let's see. Okay, sorry, this was a day chart. On the weekly chart, you can see it's a bearish Marubozu candle, almost drop of 3.5%. If you see the monthly chart is also a kind of Marubozu candle, but month is not ended yet, so we need to watch. Let's talk about Dow Jones. Same type of thing in the Dow Jones. Let's unhide the drawing. You can see here for the Dow Jones, what the kind of Marubozu candle, very big dark red candle with good volume. So now Dow Jones currently it's at, it's at this level. Current support, I'm saying that if it trades below this black line, okay, which is at 31,400, then Dow Jones can come back to 30,600, will be the first down level. Second down level is 29,680, and the worst case scenario is way below where we are right now. We will not talk about this level at this point of time. Now, when some bullishness will come in the Dow Jones, once it starts trading above 32,000, okay, above 32,000, once it starts, then there is the level of 32,800 and 33,200. Now, if on currently it is at 31,392, if it respect this line also, right, it respect this level and take a U-turn, then 32,000 will be the first immediate short-term upside target. So we will talk about only this level at this point of time. Two levels up, two levels down. Now friends, on this chart, whenever you see this kind of green line, then think that this is the resistance line. Black line is where currently it is standing, and the red line is the next level of support. So for the Dow Jones also, you can see here right now Dow Jones, at uh, in the on the May 20th of May, it made the low of 17% down. It was from the peak. Okay, pre-COVID time, it was at this level, 29,000 almost. If Dow Jones, come back to this red line, then it will be down by 19%, means 20%. But if you see and compare with the Nasdaq, Dow Jones is still, not that down. Means it's a 33%, 30% down in the Nasdaq, but Dow Jones is down by 20%. So these are the levels for the Dow Jones. Then we will talk about S&P 500. S&P 500, same, my friends, but let us see the weekly chart of Dow Jones before we go to the S&P 500. Same, see this bearish Marubozu candle on the weekly chart. So definitely be aware of in the long positions. On the S&P 500, you can see currently it is resting at 3,900. Okay, the first support it is currently having, which is around 3,800. Okay, if just a moment, if S&P 500 comes to 3,800 and sustain there and then take a U-turn, then 3,975 should be the first target, and 4,152.58 will be the next target. If it breaks this 3,800, then 3,710 will be the first downside target, and second will be 3,588. So first downside target is highly possible, which I think by looking at this price action. But as I said, market is supreme, so we will see on that. If we see the weekly chart, I think this will also represent the same kind of thing. See, it's a bearish Marubozu candle. So my friends, this is all about indexes. Definitely you will come and watch the next video, which is on the commodity, and the third video will be on the stocks, the 10 important stocks of US stock market. With this, guys, I want to give you some important tips. Okay, no one can catch exact bottom in the market, and no one can sell on the exact top. No one can catch exact bottom in the market, and no one can sell on exact top. The next tip is, remember, when every Tom, Dick and Harry talk about the crash in the market and pessimistic about the market, you should be optimistic that time. You should be optimistic investor in that time. Now from here, I'm expecting 6 months to 12 months will be the same. Okay, market might go down a little bit or go down to the level which I mentioned, and then consolidate and stay there for few sessions or few months. And that time you will see a lot of people will be very pessimistic about the market, and they will sell their portfolio. but that time we need to be optimistic investor. Okay, the next point is respect your levels. Okay, and the last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.